How to see watch history on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how you can see watch history on TikTok. So in order to check your recently watched on TikTok, first of all update your application. If not, head over to your Play Store and then update your application. After you're done updating your application, log in into your TikTok account. This is basically how the interface is going to look like. Now, in order to see watch history on TikTok, go to your profile in the bottom right hand side corner. After that, it's going to take you to the profile page. Here, tap on the try bar icon from the top right and go to settings and privacy. After you select settings and privacy, it's going to direct you to the settings and privacy page. Here, scroll down a bit. So right on this page, you can either find comment and watch history, but if you're unable to find comment and watch history, what you need to do is you need to go to activity center. After that, you'll be able to see watch history as well as your comment history, your search history, and all of that. So just tap on watch history if you want to view the watch history. As you can see, these are all the watch history, and if you want to delete the watch history, long press on one particular video and click on the delete button. So just like that, you can just delete the video that you've watched recently. So do this procedure and head back and tap on the back, and if you want to see the comment history, just tap on comment, and as you can see, these are all the comments that you've made throughout the year. In this way you can see watch history on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.